we're trying to do here is to create a canvas, a place where to draw. And yes, now he's going to create the canvas with a line of code. And these two numbers are going to be the space that we have to draw. We go from 0, 0 to 600, 600. Now with function draw is the function which draw first. And then he's going to define now an ellipse, which is going to be the face, isn't it? So first we're going to define the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate of the center, and now we're going to define how big we want it to be. So this is what we've done right now, just a circle, and it's nothing else, but it's going to be the shape of our face. Okay, now we can paint it, and that's what we're going to do with a command called fill. So now we're making the face red, and how this command works, is with fill, you select 3 colors, which is red, green, and blue. And with all this combination, it goes from 0 to 255. So now we're going to create the eyes. So we have to coordinate the centers so that it doesn't. We have no time to explain how each function works, so we're just making, now we're always making the color white, which is all the colors together. That's why it's the maximum value in every space. And now the right eye. Okay, so this is how you make eyes. It's really easy, just with these functions. We have no time also, again, to explain how this ellipse works. Now we're going to make the mouth, and we're going to use the function arc. What this function does is, how this works is that in each circumference there is 2 p radians, and this is equivalent to 360 degrees. And so what we're doing here, as you see here, we're just showing half of the circle, which should be here with this line code. This is the same as before. These 4 numbers are here, and these 2 numbers are defining the visible part of our circle. So that's the result there. And now this is the basic examples. Si quieres conectar el ordenador.
No, but you can try to make it with an if-else, try to explain the if-else.
Okay, so the thing is that we were trying to connect our computer, but it didn't work here, so now we're going to try the
conditional statement.
The conditional statement if doesn't happen, then we got else. If it's not completed, then you do else. You can even extend with if else the whole time. This means that if the button of the mouse, the button is pressed, then you need to do this. And if it's not pressed, we're going to do the same. As you see,
was NO2 pollutant, or if one pollutant is the pollution is over 120 milligrams per cubic meter, then draw a sad face. And you can connect to databases that are online. So the point that this is very easy, it's really easy to connect this function, these JavaScript functions, to JSON, that is called that name, databases that are online, real-time databases that collect from sensors around the world the temperature, the wind, the pollution levels, and in real time you can do things.
Art education.
EU. Examples. No, examples, no. Resources. I think it's slash resources. And slash pollution. Do that for a moment, please. And tell me what you saw in that. This is the. Here you have many examples, many different examples of many different things with coding. Have you tried? It works? Block is another thing. This is different things. There are many things. Many. These are just few examples where you can find how a phase is changed according to the values of pollution. So, let me check out. Wait a second. Yes, try to end.
Okay, so as an ending point, because we have no time left, what we're trying to show you here is that this has possibilities for everything. Okay. You can see the face. So yes, this was everything. I hope you liked it. Okay.
No, you have no time. I will show some examples online. 2 minutes to show the examples online.
Okay.
And thank you very much. And I change this from zero. You see that I change the order, I copy everything, I change the order, I click run. You see? You see?
Yes.
Yeah, so
when I click over, it changes. This is a very simple interaction. I change a little bit with an if-else, so now you understand the if-else example. In arteducation.eu you have many examples. This example was created by, this other example of 2 emoticons that is here was created by Oscar. I will explain, it was at the first week. The idea of this example, you can see here, do you remember? This example. So in this example, you can see a face that with mouse X, mouse Y follow the mouse. So it's as easy as change the numbers by mouse X, mouse Y position, and then follow. And with an if-else, we can move the eye and increase the size of the eye and reduce. And we can change the color with the red, green, and blue colors. You see that it changed also the face and how when I click, now it's crying. 20 to 10 is now about 20 to 10. When it's a quarter to 10, in 2 minutes it will change to a quarter to 10. But now it's 20 to 10. You see that? You saw that? It's now about 20 to 10. And now today is this day. And today is the anniversary of that. And every day change the anniversary. We program to change. There are the days that are from Christmas. And here you have a clock. And you can do something more artistic. This is the real-time pollution in Barcelona. Now, it's over 100. This is the maximum allowed by the European Union. The time with different colors. And you can create everything, connect to real-time, change things, connect to computer, to objects created by you, to sensors, to measure pollution yourself. We create some sensors to connect it to the mobile. This is possible because nowadays we have sensors very cheap. You can do it. It will connect to your webcam of your mobile and you point to your face, and it will detect 70 points of your face and will detect you are smiling or not. And it will measure your feelings. and there are many more possibilities, but that's it. If you have any questions. The idea is that you try to change the code that we create, but you can try to practice to change the code and to create something new.